So good morning. Yesterday we are discussing about some basic points: agent, commission agents, factors, derived agent, auctioneers, and broker. Agent is a middleman, or he acts on the behalf of a person or a group. And different varieties of agents. There are different uh, different activities. Because of different activities, different types of agents will be there. Delegate agent, insurance agent, commission agent, brokers, factors, and like that. So we have discussed all things. Let us go to example today. An example: an agent sold rupees 25,000 worth fancy items on 2.5% commission. So is a commission agent. He is a commission agent. 2.5%, 2.5% commission basis. He sells the one article for 25,000. So the requirement is find his commission only. So rate is this, rate of commission. Rate of commission is 2.5%. Therefore, the commission equal to, therefore amount of commission equal to, therefore amount of commission is actually asked. What is commission? So amount of commission, amount of commission equal to 2.5% of 2.5% of 25,000. This becomes, this is cancelled. So 250 into this is 670, 625 rupees, 625. An example. Next example number 2. Example number 2. A merchant gives his agent, merchant with the sense dealer. Huh, huh? He gives commission to his agent uh, of 10% ordinary commission. Ordinary commission means a fixed, it is a fixed commission, and plus 3.13. So ordinary commission, ordinary commission, ordinary commission, say 10%, and other apart from this, he gives commission of uh, this is the del credere commission. Del credere commission means this is the for the extra work, for the hard work. When he gives del credere, so he gives the guarantee of payment, so that he actually sells the goods on credit basis, and he gives the, and also gives the guarantee to the this merchant of payment. So on the, for his guarantee, the agent, the merchant gives to the agent the extra payment, that is called del credere payment or del credere commission. This is 3.3, not 3.5. This is 3 to 1 by 3%. A sale of rupees 40 to 60. A sale of rupees 40 to 60. So what is his commission? The question is, how does, how much does he receive after paying agent's commission? Agent's commission. So what is the actually value of the good? So merchant receives. So merchant gives first 10%, 10% of this, then 3 and 1 by 3 of percent of this, the remaining amount. Rest the remaining, the balance amount he receives the merchant. So what is that? So rate of commission is rate of goods is, or value of goods, rate of goods equal to 40 to 60. So rate of commission equal to ordinary commission plus, so rate of commission equal to ordinary commission, ordi, ordinary commission plus del credere commission, del credere, del credere commission So ordinary commission is 10%, 10% of the article plus 3 and 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 of commission. Del criteria. This equal to 10% is 10 upon 100 plus this is 3 into 3 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 by 3 of the of percent. So this equal to this is can 10 by 10 and 10 plus 10%, the percent, sorry, I have taken the percent outside now. So this is 10% plus this is 9 by 3%. This is percent. Let us put 100 outside into 1 upon 100. Huh? Into 1 upon 100. Percent means divided by 100. So this equal to 10 into 3, 30 plus 10 divided by 3. Then percent as it is. This equal to 40 of 3%. So therefore the net or the amount of commission equal to amount of commission. This is the amount of commission. Amount of this is the rate of commission. Rate of commission altogether. The ordinary commission plus discretionary commission. So amount. What is the amount? Amount of commission equal to 40 by 3% of this commission he receives the agent, and the balance amount received by the merchant equal to this 40% of 40 by 3% of into 1 by into 40 to 100. This is 40 to 60, 40 to 60. So this equal to this cancels, and this cancels, and 3 12 142 cancels. 142 into 4, that is 4 16 8 568 equal to 568. 14 56 4 8 568. This is the amount of commission, though this is received by the agent. Agent receives this money, and the merchant receives. So this minus his commission will be deducted. So 42. So the merchant receives the amount of rupees equal to 4260 minus 568, that is equal to 3692 3692 rupees received by the merchant. Value of the goods minus commission. This is the value of the goods, actual value of goods or sold value, and this is the commission. ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು 2000 ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ 10% ತರಬೇಕು, ಅಂದರೆ 46 4 to 6 ಆಯಿತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಇದು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಷ್ಟು 10 by 3%, ಎರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಕೂಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ a salesman is paid a fixed monthly salary and commission on sales. A salesman, I will read the question first. A salesman is paid a fixed monthly salary and commission on sales in 2 successive months on sale of rupees 17,100 and 21,700. His total earnings are rupees 1130 and 1360, 1360 respectively. Find the rate of commission and monthly salary. Find the rate of commission and monthly salary. So here the commission are two successive months. Two successive months. So the this is one is 17,100, 100 and uh, 21,700, 21,700. This is a successive 2 months salary, and earnings is because of this 2 months. His earnings earnings is 1,130, 130 rupees and 1360. So the because of first month salary he earns 1,130, and for the next month for the salary of the 21,700 he earns rupees 1,360 rupees. Now find the commission. Now difference is sales equal to this. Now salesman's earnings equal to, so salesman's earnings equal to his fixed salary plus his commission is equal to fixed monthly salary plus fixed monthly salary, because it is written like that only. See, a salesman is paid a fixed monthly salary and commission on sales plus commission. So what is the fixed monthly salary? Is, so it is given that the for the two successive months and the earnings is 1130 and 1360 respectively. So difference in sales equal to, therefore earnings earnings are for successive 2 months is this, and the sale is for two successive sales is this. So difference in sales equal to 21,700 minus 17,100. So this equal to 21 7 4 4 ಸಾವಿರ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 4,600 4,000 17,100, so 4,600, right? So this is the actually, and difference in earnings equal to, this is the difference in sales and difference in earnings. So what is actually asked here? Find the rate of commission and monthly salary. Rate of commission ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಿ 17,100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸೇಲಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, 1,130. ಸೊ 21 ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಸೊ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ rupees 21,700, his earning is 1360. So for these two sales, these two earnings, so difference in sales equal to this 4,600 and difference in earnings equal to, so difference of these two, so 1360 minus 1130, this is equal to 230 rupees, 230 rupees. So for this sales, this is earning, so for is the for 100. So on applying the, so rate of commission equal to, for the rate of commission, so for 4,600 he earns rupees, then the difference is this 230. So 230, so that is for sales, therefore applying rule of 3, so whenever this the sales amount is 4,600, earnings is 230, for whenever the sales is about 100, so that gives the rate. So rate of commission equal to, applying rule of 3, So whenever sales is 4,600, the earning or the amount is 2 rupees 230. So whenever is 100, so 100 divided by this into, so this equal to this divided by this 100 divided by 4,600 into 230, this gives you 5%. This cancelled, this cancelled. So 23 ಒಂದ್ಲೆ 23 ಎರಡ್ಲೆ 2 ಒಂದ್ಲೆ 2 ಐದ್ಲೆ, so 5%. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? So the 5% ಆಯ್ತು. So we know that first month sales month earnings is ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು ಈಗ? You can, so first month salary earnings is this, second month salary earnings is this. ನೀವು ಇದು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಇದು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು ಈಗ. So we know that the first month salary earns is 1130, which includes his fixed monthly salary and commission on sales. Commission is 5%. So 5% of the 17,100 is, therefore the his commission on sales 5% of the total sales. Therefore the commission on the sales equal to 5% of this or 5% of this. This is for the second month, this is for the first month. Let us take first month. So 5% of 70,100, 100. This equal to, this is cancelled. So is only 1785. So this is 855. 1785 is only 855. Therefore his monthly salary equal to, this monthly salary equal to, this is monthly salary ಏನಿದೆ, this earning ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1130 means this includes his commission also. His commission is 5%. So 5% of this equal to 855. If you deduct 855 from this, that is the salary. So 1130. So his salary equal to, his salary equal to 1130 minus 855. 855 is this equal to 275. ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಥವಾ if you take the commission, instead of taking 17,100, if you take 5% of this 21,700, this also gives you, you also can do this. This gives the 275 rupees. Then deduct this from and 21,700 minus the commission of this. What is this amount? This, deduct this, you get again 75 rupees. 275 rupees. Sorry, ಇದು ಇದಲ್ಲ, this 1360 minus 1085. This gives 5% of this equal to, take the 5% of this and deduct from this, you get 275 rupees only. 275 rupees only. Next is the terms of sales one were charged from 75%, the 7.5%. The terms of salesman were charged from 7.5% commission to annual salary of rupees 3,750 plus a commission of 3.25% on total sales. If this change reduce his salesman salary earnings by 7,300, then find his total sales. So the difference is because of these two change, because of this change, the difference in earnings is 7,300. So earnings, you have to find out two earnings, sir. One first earning is 7.5% of commission of annual salary. So annual salary of say X, say his total sales equal to X, say. Let so difference between sales of 7.5% of X and the other is his total earnings. Second case is annual salary plus. So let us take it one by one. Let the total sales be X. I will read the question once again. The terms of salesman were charged from 7.5% commission to annual salary of rupees 3,750 plus commission of plus commission of 3.25 means of percent on total sales. So because of this, if this reduce the salesman's earnings by rupees, it reduces salesman's earnings by rupees 7,300. Find the total sales. Find the total sales. So let the total sales equal to X. Total sales equal to X. So in the former case means this first 7.5% total sales, percent of total sales, that's equal to, so earnings equal to, in the earliest case earnings equal to, in the first case or in the first case ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದದು ಇದು, were charged from 7.5% commission to annual salary. So first case the earnings equal to 7.5% of the total sales equal to 7.5% of X equal to 7.5 X divided by 100. This is 1. So second case, in the second case it is given that this change earnings, in the second case earnings will be annual salary plus annual salary plus annual salary plus this percent of annual salary is this plus 3.25% commission. So this equal to annual salary is this 3,750 plus 3.25 divided by 100 into 3,000 of X total sales of X total sales. So this equal to, if you simplify this, put it as it is. This is take it to simplify ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲ x ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. So this into this ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲ, take it as 1. Now it is said that the because of these two the difference is, because of this difference is 1 is 7,300. What is the find the total sales? Find the x. This means that because of this, one is 7.5x divided by 100 minus this. See, 3750 plus 3.25x divided by 100 equal to 7300 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ. So take it 100 as common. I have simplified this. So x take it. So we have to solve for x. x ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ x ಅನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ತರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ. ಈ x ಅನ್ನು ಹೊರಗಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಈಗ? x ಇಂಟು ಇದು 7.5 divided by 100. This is plus plus into minus is minus. Minus 3.5 3.25 3.25 divided by 100. So this minus into plus is minus. So this is minus. Now this as minus as it is. 3750 equal to 7300. Or then ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? So next step is I will bring this side. So this becomes plus. This equal to 7300 plus this 3750. This equal to if we add this 11,050. 11,050 equal to this. Therefore x equal to this divided by this. So this equal to this implies you can put it 100 also outside. X by 100 becomes this out like this. Or this minus this is x into 7.5 minus 3.25 gives you 4.25. 4.25 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, this 100 equal to this 11,050. So cross multiplication, this into this and this into this. So this implies x into 4.25x 4.25x equal to 11,050 into 100 equal to 150. Therefore x equal to this 11,110,500 divided by 4.25. This equal to answer is 2,60,000. 2,60,000. This is the answer. So last problem, work at home. I will just read. The expense of a company in a year was rupees 82,000 and its net profit was 82,000 and net profit equal to 20,000. In a subsequent year the expense is this is 82,000 is the I will read the first question first. The expense of a company in a year was 82,000 and its net profit equal to 20,000. In the subsequent year expenses increased by 20% and net profit amount to 30% of the expense. 30% of expense, net profit. Find the percentage increase in the net profit. Find the percentage increase in net profit. Question, work at home. Let us stop here. Continue tomorrow.